In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows to a sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Smartsheet, you'll be able to follow along and start adding rows confidently by the end. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account, then navigate to the specific sheet you want to work in. In this example, we're using a project sheet in the standard grid view. Make sure you're in the right sheet before you start, because any changes you make here will affect your live data. Once your sheet is open, take a look at the left-hand side of the grid. You'll see the row numbers running down the side. This is where you'll be able to choose exactly where you want to insert new rows. Next, click on the highlighted area for the row where you want to work. Typically, this will be the row number on the far left. When you click on that row number, it selects the entire row. This is important because Smartsheet uses that selection to know where to place your new row in relation to the existing one. After you've selected the row, look for the option that's highlighted in the toolbar or in the row menu. Depending on your layout and screen size, you might see a small drop-down arrow next to the row number or an insert option in the toolbar at the top. Go ahead and click on that highlighted control. This will open a set of row-related actions, such as inserting above, inserting below, or deleting a row. Now, click on the highlighted insert option. You'll choose whether you want to add a row above or below the one you selected. As soon as you click it, Smartsheet will create a new blank row in that position. You'll see it appear immediately in the grid. From here, you can start typing directly into the new row's cells, just like any other row in your sheet. Use this to add new tasks, items, or entries to your project. If you need multiple rows, you can repeat the same process as many times as you like. That's all there is to it. By selecting the row, using the highlighted insert controls, and choosing where the new row should go, you can quickly keep your sheet up to date and well organized.